How we doing, guys? Woo! No axle. Kingpins are bad, and some other shit. It's cold. So we got the axle removed. We're gonna take it somewhere fixed. They're gonna put the kingpins, and they're gonna weld whatever needs to get welded. And we're gonna put it back on. New tires. It needs a lot of stuff. This dirt cap, but it also needs new stuff in the back, and then a 3-axle alignment. And I'm gonna get inside the Jeep because it's fucking cold. So yeah, it's the only bad thing about having multiple trucks, that you gotta keep up with the maintenance. The good thing, a little extra cash. Alright guys, so yeah, that's what's been going on. Yeah, I show the ups and downs. Some guys, they'll be like, yeah, we're here in trucking, we're making big time money. But there's also expenses that nobody likes to talk about. They're pretty expensive. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm picking up the Volvo from the shop. I came to do the bushings, but they found a whole bunch of shit. Total 2,584. Found a lot of broken shit, so replaced a lot of it. Damn, this airbag ripped. I have to get some airbags and shocks. Damn, this is a never-ending thing. And I still need to go get the tires. Okay, so I was saying 2,584 plus the tires, paid $1,000. Yeah, and the wash, 55. Huh. Yeah, it's getting expensive. And when I was looking at what they did in the back, what they replaced, I noticed the airbags are pretty bad and the shocks. So I'm looking at another, damn, like another $1,000. Oh shit. And plus the first part, the front, the axle, the kingpins, about 1,000 something. So we are looking at wait, how much was the first one? 1,500, 3, 5, 4. We're looking at over $5,000 for this truck. It's a lot of money. It's expensive. It gets pretty expensive, but it's totally worth it, I guess. You got to spend money to make money. Well, in this truck, it doesn't make me a lot of money. I think it's still worth it. If not, I'll probably park it. But no, it's definitely worth it. But it's just something to bring up, the cost of repairs and all that stuff, because nobody tells you, nobody says. All they say is like, yeah, trucking is good, rates are good, blah, 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 blah. But let me turn off this light. Whoop. There. I picked up the truck from the alignment place, and it's too dark. I actually did airbags and shocks. Total came up to god damn it, $1,931. It's dark here, and then the shadow is not helping. Damn, 90 bucks an hour rate. Expensive. Maybe I should open a shop. So yeah, total 6,500 bucks for the day cab. And I just spent like 7 grand on the Peterbilt. It's a lot of fucking money. I wasn't expecting all this. But the trucks are running pretty good now. Well, the Volvo is gonna run pretty good now, hopefully. So this is the type of expensive and money that we spend to keep our trucks running. What nobody tells you about trucking. Alright guys, well, have a great night. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.